Hello. If you don't know already, my name is Katrina, and we are going to be going over the best binary options strategy out there. I'm just going to be blunt about it. I have been doing binary options for quite a few years now. I've been trading for 5 years, and I can tell you, I created this strategy because I really love binary options and regular stock options. And I can tell you that this strategy is seriously amazing. There is a system that goes with it. You don't just take every call or put signal that comes in. We have an amazing indicator down here called the Firestorm momentum that ties in with everything. And it's basically like a point system where you will be able to detect when's a good time to take a trade, when's a good time not to take a trade. Of course, when markets are like this, you don't want to be really taking trades. However, the Firestorm indicator called out a beautiful trade right here. And you would have actually seen this momentum work up with the momentum indicator. It's called Firestorm momentum. And then we have the Firestorm indicator. Now, I'm just going to get this out of the way right here, right now. You can use the Firestorm indicator for regular Metatrader 4 trading. So let's say if you wanted to trade US 30, NOS 100, the regular currency pairs on higher time frames, you definitely can use this indicator for that. It does find some beautiful moves, especially on US 30 and NOS 100. I do those daily on the side of me trading binary options every single morning with this indicator. However, this indicator was created for binary options, and that's where it's seriously amazing. It gives you all those confirmations. It's just on point and great. So with that being said, we're just gonna look over this because as you can clearly see, a lot of people ask me to make videos explaining what this strategy is all about. How do you know when to take the signal? And for example, right here, we're gonna look at this one for a minute. Oh, let's go back right down here. So Gbp Jpy. This had some beautiful signals up and down, up and down, up and down. And it just kept doing the perfect ranging market. And this one was actually pretty good as well. And so was Euro USD and Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. So with me taking a buy or sell at the top here, there's usually a little basically like indicator that shows a percentage. Hold on, let me put this on Bitcoin for a moment, or Ethereum, so you can see what I'm talking about. So right up here, I don't really trade cryptos with it. However, it does work for cryptos if you follow all the rules. And I'm pretty sure the market is closed at the moment. Yeah, it is. Oh, no, it isn't. So up here, as you can see, strong sell, it would say 87%, 12%, 0%, whatever it is. So this indicator right down here takes all the oscillators, pivots, moving averages, and creates a summary of where they're all heading to. So we have 17 moving averages indicating a sell, 6 oscillators indicating a sell, 5 of them are neutral where it's undecided, and 4 pivots are indicating a sell, which makes it 27% and 84% accurate. That's going to continue down. On top of that, we did get a put signal and our EMA is red. Now, I don't usually trade crypto, so I don't know how the whole crypto works with it. You're more than welcome to try it, see how you like it. I know markets are a little wild right now. It's Friday afternoon. But this is just to show you the example of what this looks like. So in that time, I can tell you, just from experience, these buys and sells, calls and puts were all showing 80 to 90% heading up and down. I just know it because I know from whenever I trade, the market looks like this and it sends me those signals, I always get 80-90%. So when it says 80 to 90% right here, whether it's a buy or a sell, which is on this indicator right here, I would go take the trade for a call or a put with the signal that has happened. Then there's also a support and resistance. So when you sign up for the Firestorm indicators, there's going to be 2 indicators that you will or 3 indicators that you will receive. One of them will be the momentum indicator, which is this one right here. The other one will be the Firestorm Indicator 2.0, which is kind of for it's a mix for Forex trading and binary options. And that's this indicator where it shows a little later. And then the regular Firestorm indicator right here, Firestorm 2.0, Firestorm indicator, and the chart. The regular Firestorm indicator will show a lot more signals because it's more geared towards binary options. So here is just the settings for it real quick. You can pause this and look at it. This is just basically how I have mine set up. When you join, you can set it up just like this. There's also videos on it. And then for 2.0, I have it set up just like this. And there you go. And you can adjust everything to your liking. Also, when you put the Firestorm 2.0 on a higher time frame, what it's going to do is it's going to allow you to be able to create a take profit and stop loss. So with the Firestorm 2.0, you can turn on the entry level, take profit 1, 2, and stop loss. And what that does is it plots the background for you. As you can see, this is red, this is green and green. That's take profit 1 and 2. And it will plot the background and basically show you your entries where you can enter, place your take profit 1 and 2, and your stop loss. And it will notify your phone within an alert. So if you right clicked here and clicked alert, hold on, and then you clicked here and clicked the Firestorm indicator, the regular Firestorm indicator for binary options, you can get to alert your phone as well. I just want to let you know that, which is a really, really awesome part about this indicator. You don't have to sit here and wait for the signals to come in for binary options. You can literally have it come in right to your phone and alert you instantly once there's a call or a put called out on Euro USD or whatever pairs you like to follow the most. You can get call or put arrow. You can do once per bar or once per bar close. That means once the bar closes, it will alert you, confirming that the signal has been officially been put out. And then you can name it whatever you want. But for the Firestorm indicator, the 2.0 that I was just telling you about for Forex trading, let's say you wanted to have it alert you whenever a buy or sell comes up. It will alert you with a buy or sell with an entry, stop loss, take profit 1 and 2. All the information will be right here. All you have to do is just plug it into Metatrader 4. However, this video is all about binary options, not about that part. But that was just to let you know how powerful this is, because it's not just an indicator that could tell you when to buy or sell, but you can literally be on the go and get alerts on your phone showing you, hey, there's a call. You might want to go make some money in either pocket option or race options or Ride Forex or whatever binary options broker you like to use, Nadex. And Nadex is another broker that is really good. I've never really used it all that much. I tend to stick to pocket option, and my pocket option link will be in the link in the description here. So if you sign up through there, you will be able to get access to all the great features of pocket option. So with that being said, this indicator is extremely powerful. I literally make amazing money with this indicator. Let's just say that. I made it so it was efficient for me for having a busy schedule and mom life. And whenever I got a call or a put signal, I simply would go to my TradingView app, click on it, and it would show me that signal that just fired. And I would go analyze. If my momentum indicator says an 80 or 90% up here, and my call or put option was correct with it, and everything lined up and up here was following the trend, I would go for it. And that's basically what I would do. I would place a trade for a minute or 2-3 minutes. 2-3 minutes is really the sweet spot for me. I've noticed 2 to 3 minutes is awesome. Now, the more indications that you have pointing in the right direction, the better it's going to be. So for example, right here, you see there was a put option right here. The EMA was red. And I'm sure this was showing an 80%. And you also saw the DMI stochastic start to turn. So if you're wondering what this is just a free indicator. It's called DMI stochastic. You would see that that started to turn, and you would take that down for 3 minutes. As you can see, that was successful. 3-minute trade. Each candle is 1 minute. So if you took it down for 3 minutes, would have been successful. This one would have been successful. And as you can see, it was showing you down here that was starting to go up for a buy. Then we got a call signal and it just shot up. And I'm sure, like I said, the Firestorm indicator went along with it. And then right here was another beautiful trade. And as you can see right here for this call, the EMA turned green. And then the EMA turned back to being red again and went with the same process of calling out the indicator or calling out the signal, then came down red, came down for a long time. I mean, that was over 10 minutes. And it was beautiful. You were in profit for a long time. So that's really it. You just follow how simple it is and you go for it. Now, you don't take every single signal. And the reason why I say this is because you can get caught up in situations like this. When you see a super long trend, you don't want to place another trade thinking it's going to continue down or continue back up, because this was most likely, as you can see, there's these little pullbacks, another pullback. So like this, if I got this first signal and I saw it was going down, and I got the second put signal, I knew that it was due for another pullback here. So I would wait for that pullback. You could see it happening right here on the DMI stochastic. A little pullback, and then I would have placed a trade actually right here and taken it down. However, you still would have been practically profitable if you made a 3-4 minute trade. But to be safe, you want to use your own analysis with it. However, this makes it so much easier, because I used to sit here and stare at the charts all the time. And being a mom of 4 kids under 5 years old, it honestly was way too much for me to sit down and just stare at the charts all day long. So me being able to trade on Pocket Option or Vide Forex is the other broker I use. The link in the description for those as well. They do have a $500 minimum deposit, where Pocket Option has a $50 minimum deposit, and you can place $1 trades. So I would start with Pocket Option to begin with, just to get used to everything. But as you can see right here, remember when we saw that 80%, it did continue down from that spot, and then it came back up. So that would have been profitable if you did take it. And so that's really about it. I wanted to make this a quick video and go over how amazing this indicator is and how You can get access to it at www.firestormtrading.com. If you are a complete beginner, you can do this. There is step-by-step beginner training on my YouTube page, and there is also step-by-step beginner training inside the mini course that's there when you sign up. So when you sign up, you will see, and let's head over there right now. Oh, forgot the E. As of right now, we're running a promo for $119 a month. And here's just a little example of the indicator calling out some signals. And as you can see, it does have that strong buy or sell. As you can see, it was a strong buy and it shot up there. That was a beautiful day. And we come across this quite often. There's 21 wins, 2 losses. And I would say that's a pretty amazing ratio. So if you want to see more of what the Firestorm Indicator is all about, what amazing things it can do, you can see on here, it's calling out some Bitcoin signals, and you can just click through these and see how many pips they were able to go. There's some for binary options. This is what I was talking about with showing me, showing the accuracy. And it's honestly really awesome indicator. Here's just results from people that have been able to see amazing results with this. This was for US 30. Here's it running on Bitcoin for a student. Here's Firestorm Indicator results on US 30. I know. So we also have an OTC binary options course. This is a one-time payment. There is a payment plan for it. And this does not give you access to the Firestorm indicators. You do not get access to the Firestorm indicators through this. This is purely for OTC trading that's on the Pocket Option platform. So you can apply this to IQ Option or wherever you want. It's just some amazing strategies for binary options. And there's like 5 or 6 strategies in there, and they have made a lot of people a lot of money. There is a step-by-step video going over it, and basically another video that talks about how it's for OTC. And then here's all the results from verified people that have signed up, and they've seen amazing results trading OTC charts. OTC charts, if you don't know what they are the charts that the brokers run on the weekends when the markets are not open. Pocket Option will run what's called OTC charts. So they look like stocks or regular currencies, but they're run by their system. And I have quite a few strategies that I've developed to really hack into that and allow you to be able to make a lot of money. I don't want to say hack in a negative way, but basically you feel like you got to hack because you're able to really blow up trading OTCs on the weekends. So that's really great when you want to continue to trade when the market's closed. There is a payment plan for it. So if you want to sign up, you could pay $74 every 2 weeks, interest free, split up into 4 payments, and you can get started with that ASAP. So that's just for OTC trading only. That does not give you access to the Firestorm indicators. Now, if you want access to the Firestorm indicators, you will come over here and you will be able to read all about us on the website. Definitely don't wait to read about us. Definitely read up on it. See if it's a great fit for you. As you can see, what comes with your package is binary options, step-by-step training. You have a step-by-step video, PDF, and documents, OTC strategy for the weekend trading. So there is an OTC strategy in there. It's also on my YouTube page as well. And Then there's the Firestorm Indicator settings and more tutorial videos on how to use it. And then there's over 300 binary option signals sent out daily. So what I mean by that is when you set up the signals for yourself on your phone, you will literally can get over 300 signals per day to be able to trade binary options all day long if you wanted to. It doesn't have to be split out into a session anymore. You can literally just pluck off signals and basically wins throughout the day. So you will learn how to set up your own signals and get access to the indicators. The indicators are on tradingview.com. So when you go and sign up, make sure you have a TradingView account and you send me your TradingView username following the steps that you're supposed to follow. So when you join, there will be a training group for binary options specifically called Firestorm Training Group. I know that's like a tongue twister, but it's Firestorm Trading Group. And that group, if you go all the way to the top, it'll walk you step by step for the whole binary options process. Now, if you want to learn a little bit of gold and indices and how to trade with MT4, you will be able to learn that there too, because that comes with your subscription. You'll be able to learn how to set up your own signals. There's training videos for that as well. Same for Forex and stocks. There's all of that there for you. And that's about it. It's honestly super simple. It's efficient. It sends you alerts to your phone. And then there's also testimonials down here. I don't know why the center one's not showing up, but here's another one of some signals that were sent out for binary options. And as you can see, we had 21 trades, 5 losses, and 16 wins. And that's with 0 analysis and not following anything. So this indicator is honestly so powerful. However, I always recommend doing analysis. Never rely 100% on an indicator. I want to put that disclaimer in there. And you're also not going to be like getting rich overnight. I mean, you could, but that's totally up to you and your trading abilities. Remember, trading is also very risky at the same time. So make sure you use proper risk management, which means placing $1 trades or doing whatever you want to do when you get started. This is just what I use. This is what I do. I'm not telling you what to do at all. I'm just showing you what you could do if you want to, but no one's twisting your arm to do it. And you definitely want to do this all on your own terms and when you feel ready. So this is another one of our indicators that's inside, and that's part of Firestorm 2.0. And then just here's some more indicators that comes with it. So this is what I was talking about. If you're interested in the Forex side of things and you want to learn a little bit of Forex, we have an indicator that has an 80% accuracy. I've actually seen it gone up to 95% on some charts, on a 1-hour chart. So 95% accuracy and up to an 80% take profit to accuracy. So that's all in there. There's a video on how to set that up, what specific settings you can use. And basically that will provide you with your stop loss would be down here, your take profit or your entry would be here, your take profit 1 and 2, and see how it hit those perfectly. This did the same thing. However, it just hit it so fast that it didn't even show up with the lines, but you would have gotten the alert telling you exactly what to input here. Same thing here. It hit take profit 1. And then right here, it hit take profit 1 fast, then hit take profit 2. It came back to entry and then went down to take profit 2. This one right here, there's a stop loss. The entry is somewhere in here. I'm guessing it was probably right here. And then that little dot right there, it hit take profit 1. Second candle hit take profit 2. It was just so quick. And that's the Firestorm FX 2.0. So that's for if you want to do Forex trading or indices trading. Great for that. Love that indicator. Then this is also the Firestorm Trend Trap FX indicator. Great indicator. You'll have access to that one too. And here's just some more testimonials if you wanted to do US 30 with it. Here's a 2000 pip move that was called out. with the Firestorm Indicator on a 5-minute time frame. And here's some gold results from one of our students. And here is another one of our students that made $3,500 in one day trading binary options. $3,500 in one day. And he was killing it. He still is. And as you can see right here, if you go through here, you will see tons of results and testimonials on everything. If you go to firestormtrading.com, when you get to firestormtrading.com, you could also go to Firestorm Trading on Instagram. And Firestorm Trading on Instagram is just that, with no spaces. And you will be able to contact us there if you have any questions. The link for that will be in the description as well. And looking forward to having you here with us. If you want to sign up for it, all you have to do is just simply go to firestormtrading.com, click promo access today. You will click that here. It will take you to Telegram. You will sign up through Telegram. And when you sign up, you will go through the checkout. When you hit the checkout point, you will go back to the bot. After you successfully checked out, it will tell you to go back to the bot, and it will give you a whole bunch of groups to join. You will join all those groups. And remember, if you just want to solely focus on binary options at the moment, you can get the binary options training in the Firestorm trading group. Just make sure you look for that. And this happens sometimes. I'm just going to put this disclaimer in there, but if your links ever say they're expired, that's because you're already a part of the groups and it instantly added you. So don't worry about that. You would just go look for it in Telegram and see it right there. So hope you all have an amazing night. Super excited to see you here with us, and go make some money and have a great day using the Firestorm Indicator.